In this lesson, let's take a look at how to make payments for salaries and also know more about the other features on the payroll. To do this, kindly click on Payroll on the dashboard menu and then proceed to the Pay Runs tab. Over here, you get to see a history of the various pay runs that you have, and then you can also access the recent pay run by either clicking on the date or clicking on the three dots under the Action tab. Now proceed to click on Preview to view further information about this pay run. Over here, you can add payments, you can view a tax report, a SNIT report, a Tier 2 report, and a summary sheet report. You can also print a hard copy version of the various pay slips for your employees, or you can also download or and then share via email to your employees, or you can also send via the software to your employees. Now let's take a look at how to add payments. To do this, kindly click on Payments and you would have the opportunity to either record a salary payment, a tax or PAYE payment, a Tier 1 or SNIT payment, and a Tier 2 or Tier 3 payment as well. Now let's take a look at how to record a salary payment. To do this, kindly click on Salary Payment. The amount payable would pop up, and then you'd have the option to either pay your employees online or record a manual payment. If you have a built wallet, or if you have access to the built wallet, you can pay your employees online using the built wallet. However, if you do not have, you would need to record a manual payment. To record a manual payment, kindly click on that. A pop-up will appear where you'd have the full amount popping up. So you can either adjust it, that is, if a portion of this amount has been paid as salaries. You can also edit the date on which the salaries were paid. The salaries payable account and the description will pop up automatically. However, you can choose to edit it as well. And then add the payment account. So the payment account is going to be the account of the organization from which salaries are being made to employees. Now, once you are done recording this payment, you click on Save to record the payment. Afterwards, you'll be able to see how much is still pending and how much has been paid. Now you can do the same in adding the tax payments, the Tier 1 payments, Tier 2, and if you have a Tier 3, you can also record the payment as well. Now let's take a look at the tax report. So after running a payroll, you'd have the option to download the tax report where you can subsequently copy this information and paste or upload on the GRA templates to do your filings for PAYE. Now you can either print a hard copy version of it, you can download a soft copy of it, or you can download this and send it to the tax office. Now let's take a look at the SNIT report as well. You can download this, print or send to the SNIT office, and you can also copy this information, put it in the SNIT Excel file template and use this for your filing. You can also do this for the Tier 2 pension as well. You can either print, download, or send to the Tier 2 office for your filings. And then lastly, we have the summary report or the summary sheet, which will give you a summary of all the computations that were being done back end as you run the payroll. Now, this would bring us to the end of this lesson. Stay tuned for other lessons.